everything is good. All right. So we started doing proportions or ratios. And now I really feel like today is super duper important. I don't think it's that hard. Okay. Again, last year you did this already. When you set up a proportion, do you remember what's the rule for solving a proportion? Do you remember from last year? Do you remember cross multiply? And then what? Cross multiply and then divide. So bear with me. Cross multiply and divide. All right, so here we go. Let's look up at number 1. Now, so bear with me on number 1. Now, when we cross multiply, here's what I mean. You're going to multiply the number times the variable. So we're going to do this, m times 27. So you're just going to write that as 27m. So 27m is equal to, now you're going to multiply 18 times 36. All right? And what is that, 648? 648. Now, again, now's the time I want everybody to speak up right now. Does everybody know what I'm doing? Cross multiplying, right? And then after we cross multiply, we do what? Divide. So we're going to, now, right now, I want you writing all the steps. In a few minutes, you're not going to have to, but you're going to divide by 27. And so m equals what now? Somebody do 648 divided by 27. 24, somebody said. Does anybody agree with her? Everybody good?
Yeah.
All right, so now I'm just going to shrink this down out of the way a little bit. Now I'm going to do number 2. All right, Molly, I want you to tell me what 2 numbers do I multiply first? And sorry, I don't mean to be in a hurry. Yeah, right. So you don't, again, I'm just showing you that just to show all the work, right? But you could just write down what? 15t is equal to, now 9 times 21. And that's why I'm allowing you to use your calculator, but I still want to see the work.
89.
Yes, thank you, thank you. 189. And then divide that for me. T equals 12 point what? 12.6? Is everybody okay with that?
Yep.
Remember, guys, follow along with me. Everybody happy? All right, let's go. Number 3. Jolie, you're up.
So it's 8x.
Good.
And then 16 times 17.
Yep.
272.
And now what?
And then you divide 72 by 8.
And you get?
34.
Everybody happy with that so far?
34.
Good job, good job, good job. All right, next. Yep. Which is? Okay. And then what? Good job. Yep. All right, I'm saying I think that's pretty easy. Do you agree, guys? All right, let's go. Avery, tell me. you say 75.4? Hold on. Did you say 75.4? Okay. Right? Everybody good? Tell me. What's the matter, Luca?
For a number, for a neighbor, can you just do the math and make those good?
No, I want you to write it out for now. All right? And look how many we have. You see how many we have? A whole bunch. So at the end, I'm not. But right now, I'm making sure you understand cross, multiply, divide. That's the point for today, okay? So we got lots of work to do. All right? So next, Ashley. Now, you can say C2, but I prefer what? Yes. $110, right? And I'm happy. C equals 55. So far, so good? All right, now we got to get to the word problems. All right, and again, this is really one of the most important things we do. This is on all standardized tests. All right, it's pretty heavy. All right, so if you're not sure about how to set it up, you got to tell me. All right, you get to read. Go.
Aspect radio is the radio of width to height of a television screen. A widescreen television has an aspect radio of 16 inches wide to 9 inches wide. If the television screen is 48 inches wide, what is the height of the screen?
So tell me what to do. Somebody want to help him? It's just a ratio. Jolie, tell me. Yeah, so again, the aspect ratio is the width to the height, correct? So what I want everybody to do right now is I want everybody to put W over H. That's what you're doing. You're finding the width to the height. All right, so one screen is 16 inches wide, and the height is what? 9. So far, so good? Now, Jolie, where does the 48 inches go? It goes on the top. Now, why does it go on the top? Yeah, because it's the width. Because it's the width. And then X goes on the bottom. Do you see that now? Luca? You with me? So everybody, you're just setting up a ratio. That's it. All right, that's all you're doing. And it tells you how to set it up. It'll tell you like width to height or miles to hours or something like that. All right, so now cross multiply for me, Luca. So I prefer you say 16 times X, which is what? Right? And then what's 9 times 48? Right. So X equals what? 27 what, though? Does everybody agree it's 27 inches? Because we're talking about the height, correct? Mm-hmm. So remember, this is what we were talking about on the word problem, where the units are important. All right, units are important. So now, Luca, how do you feel about that? Feel a little better now? Yeah. Right, just setting up proportions, that's your job. All right, here we go. Cole, you're up. Say it again. Well, just read it for me. Joaquin. So what is he comparing?
The hours to the days.
Yeah, hours to days, right? So we're going to put down right now 12.5. Now I'm putting H just so I don't get confused. Over what?
Over 5.
Yes. And 5 is days. All right, so now what?
How many do we have for 15 school days?
So where does the 15 go?
Oh, it's on the other side.
Yes, but on the top or the bottom?
Oh, on the bottom.
Why?
Because it's days.
Yay, 15 days on the bottom. Go, whatever you need. Yeah, but you're missing. Hurry up. All right, now you put an X on the top. So now cross multiply for me.
5 times X.
Yep.
It equals to 12.5
Yep.
times 15.
You are awesome. Do that for me.
187.5.
Now what?
Then you divide that.
Yes, you do.
by 5,
You're awesome, buddy.
and then the H equals 370.
How much?
370.
Whoa, 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 whoa. 187.5 divided by 5. Do that on your calculator. 187.5 divided by 5. What did you get?
I got 17.
Can you do 187.5 and divide it by 5? Shh, shh. Cole, clear the calculator. Come on, you did the whole thing right. And now I'm asking you to do 100, the easiest part, put it on the calculator, and you're telling me 300. Divide, cross multiply, divide. This is the final step right here, buddy. Yeah, divide by 5. 187.5. Come here, let me see your calculator. Is there a decimal in there? Oh, you said 375. I thought I heard 375. No, I didn't hear you. You see the decimal, right?
Oh,
Oh, right?
yeah.
37.5 what, guys? 37.5 hours. All right, that's only the first answer. There are 2 answers. Because now we have to do how many days? 22 days. So the proportion is the same. 12.5 over 5 equals, now where does the 22 days go? Still where? Because days go on the bottom and hours is on the top. Does that make sense, Luca?
Yeah.
All right, I'm waiting for his answer now. When we cross multiply again, we get 5x. Now multiply 22 times 12.5. What's the answer? Cole, I'm waiting for 22 times 12.5.
Mm-hmm.
What did you get?
Well, I got H equals 55.
Okay, I'm agreeing with you. 55 what? Yeah, 55 hours. All right. I don't think that's that bad. You agreeing with me? Everybody good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, Jackson, you're up. Number 9. What do I have to do?
You gotta multiply 6 times 3.
And what's that?
288.
Now here's where you can just everybody write 8z equals 288. Then because we're good now, you can now divide by 8 and tell me what the answer is. What is the answer, Jackson?
36.
Somebody said 36. Everybody happy with that?
Yeah.
All right. Tyler, go.
It'd be,
Number 10.
yeah, so 12 times 28.
I'm not sure why you guys aren't telling me 8 times the variable.
Oh, 8m, right?
Yes, 8m equals,
Equals 12 times 28.
which is what?
12 times 20 would be 336.
Now you're not skipping any steps. This is what I want now. I want you to cross multiply, but I don't want you to just tell me what the answer is. All right, so you got to write this step. This is an important step. So now you're going to tell me m equals what?
M equals 40.
I'm happy with that. All right, we're back over. Molly, you're up. Oh, go. What'd you get for 12 times 28?
Oh, wait, I did it. I got like 400.
You good now? That's all I care about. Did you find your mistake?
Yeah.
All right, Eddie, you're up. Number 11.
So you did 80 times 4. Then you divide by 5.
So first of all, I want you to write 5b. This is what you need to do. 5b equals what?
120.
And so b equals what?
24.
You're awesome. B equals 24. I like that. All right, Molly, we're just going to keep going, guys. Everybody be ready. I want you to tell me the equation and tell me the answer.
So 18x equals 135. And then divide by 18. And then it's 7.
Say it again.
So it's 7.
Did you say 7.5?
Yeah.
All right. Jolie, go.
35 C, 35 C, 35 C. And then 7 times 60 is 420. Divided by 7.
Divided by what?
Divided by 35.
You're supposed to tell me if you're having trouble. Next, 14.
7K equals
Wait a minute. Am I on the wrong one? Oh, yeah, I was. Sorry.
7K equals 66 times 12, which is 672. And then divide that by 7 is K equals 96.
Equals how much?
96.
All right. Am I going too fast? Are you guys okay?
I'm good.
All right. I like this. Okay. Everybody's giving me a problem. Make sure they understand it. 15, you're up.
12, A, 32,
170 what? Okay. Is how much? Exactly 14? Thank you. Good job. Good job. All right. Who's up for 16? All right. $43.7. Anybody have any issues? All right, I think this is going good. All right, Luca, you're up.
So you would do 3P, and then you would put 9.6 on top, right?
You're multiplying, right? This is what I'm not understanding. 9.6 times 0.3. What is that? Okay. And now what? So what do I have?
0 and 96.
Now, does everybody understand on their paper, these are the two steps that I need, right? Everybody understands that, right? I don't want to just the answer, all right? I don't want the answer. You need to practice, trust me. This is a big lesson, all right? Number 18, go.
So we do 8.4 times W, and then we do 4.5 times 14,
Which is?
which is 36, and then, oh no, 63.
63, right?
And then you divide that by, oh, 8.4,
63 divided by 8.4, tell me.
you get 7.5.
I didn't hear you, I'm sorry, buddy.
7.5.
Thank you so much. Everybody still happy?
Mm-hmm.
Luke, are you writing all this down? I mean it. 19, go.
I got 5.4b.
Thank you very much.
And then 20.7 times.
Yep. What is that?
And now 124.2.
Yes.
And then we divided
Right.
by 5.4. And that's 23. So b equals 23.
Thank you. V equals 23. Everybody good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, go.
So you do 10.2 times 12.
4 times H is?
Oh yeah, 4h equals 122.4. And then you divide it by 4. And you get 30.6.
I'm happy with that. 30.6. Everybody good?
Yeah.
All right, Tyler, you get to do the word problem. Go. Read it to me.
Classrooms at Lincoln Middle School are painted every summer. If 7 gallons of plant paint are needed to paint 4 classrooms.
So what's the ratio?
Gallons. So gallons to classrooms.
How many?
4.
Does everybody see that? That's perfect. Anybody have any questions with that? All right, continue on.
All right. How many gallons of paint are needed to paint 16 classrooms? So you're going to have the void on the top of the next ratio, and then 16 on the bottom.
Very, very good. All right, cross multiply for me.
Yeah, so it would be, we just put x as looking at x. So 4x, 4x equals 16 times 7. So 112. And 112 divided by 4.
What's that?
28.
Yes. I'm happy. Good job, good job, good job. All right, everybody good? All right, here we go. Number 22, Molly, you get to do this word problem. Read it to me loud and proud. You're far away.
A principal is ordering pizzas for a school party. He knows that 9 pizzas will feed 25 students.
So go ahead, set it up for me. What?
So 9.
Exactly.
There are 200 students in this school. How many pizzas will be ordered? So then you're going to do 300 on the bottom.
Yes, good job.
And 25.
I'm listening.
So 9 times 300. And that's 2,700. And divided by 20.
Right, but I didn't hear you say 25x.
Oh, 25.
Okay, so x is how many?
Oh. 100
108 what?
pieces.
That's correct. All right, 23. I'm up. Jolie, go.
So a boat traveled 150 feet in 109.7 seconds.
So what do I write?
Feet per second, 150 over 29.7.
Good. Oh, now we have a problem.
How far would the boat travel in 1 minute?
So what's the problem with 1 minute?
Not
That's right. So how many seconds? You're awesome, girl. Good job. All right, now tell me what, cross multiply, tell me what we get.
so it's 9.7. 9 dollars.
Good job. What does that come out to be?
927. What number do I round it to?
10th.
And
927.8 what, though?
8.
I don't think so.
Feet.
Do you agree with me?
Yeah.
Feet. So you travel about 927.8 feet after 1 minute.
In 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Yeah, so what's 1 minute and 30 seconds, though?
Do we do it again?
But yeah. But my question to you is, how do I set that up? 150 feet to 9.7 seconds equals
90.
x over what?
90.
Yay, good job, girl.
So, 9.7. Oh, 100,030. 13,500.
Is that right?
Yeah.
All right, now what?
And then that is 1,391 and 8. Gee.
Everybody okay with that? Anybody have any questions? What?
Oh, I'm
Wait a minute. That doesn't seem. Oh, yeah, that's right. What's the matter?
I don't know what you put in the top.
Well, it just tells you what to put on the top and bottom because it says what? 150 feet, that's on the top. 9.7 seconds is on the bottom. That's all there is to it.
So the number first.
Wow. Yeah, that makes sense, right? That's what I'm trying to tell everybody. Right, the number you say first goes on top. The number you say second goes on the bottom. Then those are the units that you have to be careful of. Make sure the units go on the top, units go on the bottom. You with me now, right? Okay, so that was a good one. 23. All right, I'm gonna grab 24 because I don't have enough room. Okay, 24, read it. What? Oh, okay. So what would I have to do?
You have to do inches over minutes.
Right, 12 inches is to 42 minutes.
And then
15 would be on the bottom.
X be at the top.
You're awesome, girl. Go.
And then we want to X equals 12, 15, divided by 42.
Yep.
So X would be 4 point, what's the round percent?
Yeah.
4.3.
4.3 what? Yes. Yeah, and then we're going to do it again by still setting it up 12 inches to 42 minutes is equal to now what?
X over 28.
Yes.
So this one should have
Good.
divided by 44.
You're awesome. Tell me.
46.
336 divided by 42 is what?
8.
Exactly 8? 8 what? That's correct. All right, Luca, is that okay? All right, again, setting up the proportion is not a big deal. All right, I don't care about 25. Let's skip 25 for now.
Yeah.
All right,
Yay.
now. Ooh, wow, I can't believe we went super, we did super good.
We went super. Yeah, we went super speed, just like
This is the thermometer.
Okay, now what I'm gonna do is, you guys have to try to do this, but I wanna show you something. All right. What time's the bell ring?
7 seconds. 8 minutes.
Yeah, okay, so we're gonna start with, yeah, I wanna do, I definitely think you guys can do 26 through 30, but I'm gonna show you how to do 32. I want everybody to start with number 32.
I would know my 32.
All right,
Oh,
so,
this one looks complicated.
yeah, these are the harder ones, so I'm gonna show you how to do a couple of these.
And minus 3.
All right. So now, when you cross multiply, please look. You're going to say 3 times m minus 3. Now I need someone to tell me what's 14 times 15.
210.
210, right? Now we're going to review earlier in the year. We had to solve this equation. So what do I have to do with the 3? Who can tell me what I have to do with the 3? Do you remember?
I think you have to take 3 away from the function.
You distribute. You with me?
Let's see.
Or, listen, stop. I'm going to show you something else today too. What's the rule? Cross multiply and then what?
Divide.
Yeah, so then we're going to divide by 3. So better write this down. Cross multiply, divide by 3. What's 210 divided by 3? So I want now, these cancel. I want everybody to put m minus 3 equals 70. Now what do I have to do? How do I solve this final part of the equation right here? What do I have to do? Ashley? Add 3. That's right, because you're going backwards. So I'm going to put the plus 3 plus 3. So m is how much?
73.
Yes, m is 73.
Oh,
That's not too bad. All right.
I thought they were going to like add the numbers.
Yes. So what we're going to do now is, that's exactly right. That's what we were doing in high math. So you guys are almost there. All right, here we go. Listen,
We bought math.
cross multiply. Luca, tell me what to multiply.
You would multiply 5.
Yep, what's that?
80.
And then cross multiply the other way. So when you cross multiply, I want you to write 4 parentheses x plus 5. Everybody has to do that. Now after you cross multiply, you do what, Luca? That's right, so we're going to divide by 4. So x plus 5 equals what? Now what do I do? How do I get rid of plus 5? Yeah. So x equals what? No, come on. Right, subtract 5, subtract 5. You can do this. So x is equal to 15. Good? All right, Cole, you got to help me with, that was 33. Cole, you're helping me with 34. All right, cross multiply, what do I get?
So you get you get 8.
Good job. That's right,
Yes. Oh,
That's-
yeah.
right? So you're multiplying these two together. And then? What does that equal? I'm waiting on you.
18, right?
Now
Oh,
multiply.
those two.
Come on, Cole. You don't have to be sorry.
24. 360.
That would be 360. Now after you cross multiply, we do what?
Um, you what?
After we cross multiply, we always do what?
What?
Yes.
Yeah.
Shh. So now tell me what that is. Now what?
Now you add.
You're correct. So what is that?
So that would be.
How much? You said you're adding
Oh,
18.
64.
Yay, there you go. All right, so now I'm going to cut you loose. Here, I want everybody to highlight 35, 36, 26, 28, 27, 29, 30. That's your homework tonight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 problems. Everybody with me? Guys? And again, I want the proportion set up. I want you cross multiply and show me your work. Tomorrow, I'm just going to walk around the room, make sure you're good. And the other thing is, I don't want anybody, like all the work I've done, you should have all that on your paper too. I know how to do it. I'm showing you how to do it. So you make sure you're writing that out. I don't want to just see the answer, Tyler. You hear me, right? No answers, Jackson. Not just give me answers. All right, you got to write the work out just like I did.
Wait, can you go back to like the 30?
What? There you go. Highlight those guys.
Yeah, you.